everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your PlayStation 5 controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode so you can connect it to your PlayStation 5. And this is actually really easy to do. So I'm just on the home screen here, and I want to go up to Settings and select this. And then scroll on down to Accessories. Then go to General and go to Bluetooth Accessories. And then we can scroll on down to where it says Accessories Found. So I'm going to first disconnect and delete my controller from my PlayStation. Okay, now my controller is not connected to my PlayStation anymore, and I need to reconnect it. So to do this, I need to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. So these two different buttons, just hold them down. The light bar will begin to flash after about like 4 or 5 seconds. And then if it's in the correct mode, we should be able to find it under Accessories Found. So scroll on down, and I'm using my TV remote to do this. You can use a second controller. Otherwise, if you cannot find another remote or controller, you have to connect it with a USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. But if you do it this way, you can just select it right here, and then it'll say, do you want to register the controller? We can go to yes. And then it is now connected wirelessly. So no USB cable is needed to do this. And that is how you put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, simply by doing this. You can connect it to your phone or your PC doing the same method here, just by holding this down. And go to the Bluetooth options, and you will see it showing up as an accessory found. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.